Jai Hind, all my dear students. So today we are moving to the next topic of this chapter, that is human nervous system. Human nervous system we are going to start today. First of all, I would like to know how many students have completed the extra questions of life process chapter. I have given you some extra questions, nearly about 35-40. Yes, nearly about 40 questions. Yes, so 40 questions I have given you for your homework, and I hope that maximum students have completed those questions. So please try to complete those extra questions within a week and do intimate me, राइट। तो आप क्या करोगे उसको कि उसको करोगे उन क्वेश्चंस को, ठीक है, विद इन ए वीक आप उनको कंप्लीट कर लो। लाइफ प्रोसेस वाले चैप्टर से हैं वो, और फिर आप मुझको मैसेज कर दो, ठीक है। अगर आप उसको पीडीएफ फाइलें बना सकते हो तो फिर मुझे उसको बनाकर मैं आपको मेल बता दूंगा, आप उसमें मेल कर देना, ठीक है। पर वो करने ज़रूरी है, ठीक है ना, करने ज़रूरी है। एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन है और ज़्यादा लेंदी क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है उसमें, ठीक है। वन वर्ड आंसर भी है उसमें, ठीक है, वन वर्ड आंसर भी है उसमें, और हर तरह के क्वेश्चन है उसमें। सो प्लीज़ डू कंप्लीट ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस, राइट। और जो आपका पीटी फर्स्ट है उसमें लाइफ प्रोसेस चैप्टर है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ लाइफ प्रोसेस चैप्टर है, तो उसी के हैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। अगर उन क्वेश्चन में आपको डाउट आती है, इफ़ इन केस यू आर फेसिंग सम डाउट्स, यू कैन आस्क मी, क्लियर। चलिए, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू आवर टॉपिक, दैट इज ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम। सो ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम हम पढ़ रहे थे अपना चैप्टर कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, राइट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वुड रिकॉल व्हाट वी स्टडीड सो फार इन दिस चैप्टर। हमने क्या पढ़ा था? हमने पढ़ा था रिसेप्टर्स के बारे में, ठीक है। वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द रिसेप्टर्स, वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट डिफरेंट रिसेप्टर्स, फोनो रिसेप्टर्स, फोटो रिसेप्टर्स, gustatory receptors or olfactory receptors. Then what we studied? Neuron. I have explained the detailed structure of neuron, how it will carry the impulses, right? After that we have learnt about the reflex action. What is a reflex action? Then reflex arc, right? With the help of flow chart, with the help of different diagrams, we have learnt about the reflex action or reflex arc. So now we are moving to the next topic, that is your human nervous system, right? Human nervous system. So mainly in our course we are going to cover only brain, ठीक है। हमारे जो कोर्स है उसमें सिर्फ ब्रेन के बारे में ही है, लेकिन फिर भी हमें बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें जो हमें जाननी चाहिए ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम के बारे में। तो यहाँ पर क्या है, ठीक है, पहले एक बार देखते हैं इसमें। ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम, it includes the central nervous system, right? Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and your autonomic nervous system. So the human nervous system is divided into three categories. One is your central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and third is your autonomic nervous system. Then the central nervous system, CNS, right? CNS, it divides into three parts: spinal cord, brain stem, right? First one is your spinal cord, brain stem, and brain. So the spinal cord, what is the role of this spinal cord? Column of the nerves between brain and the peripheral nervous system, right? It is a column of the nerves between the brain and the peripheral nervous system. What is the role? It conducts signals to and from the brain, right? And it control the reflex activities. Second is your brain stem. So what is the brain stem? It connects brain to the spinal cord, right? So the brain stem, it will connect brain to the spinal cord. Now the third part is your brain. So brain, this is our main topic. Yeah, this is our main topic. We are going to learn in detail. Brain, it mainly consists of your three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain, right? Not the hind नहीं कहते इसको, hindbrain, forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. Then peripheral nervous system, right? Peripheral nervous system, it divides into two parts: cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. So cranial nerves, they will arise from the brain, right? The cranial nerves कहाँ से arise होंगी? Brain से arise होंगी. Then second is your spinal nerve. Spinal nerve, it will arise from the spinal cord, right? Spinal nerves will arise from the spinal cord. Now the next is your autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, it includes your involuntary actions, right? Involuntary actions are those actions which we cannot control, जिन्हें हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, उनको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? इनवॉलेंट्री. इट इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system, right? What is the role of sympathetic nervous system? It prepares for action, fight or flight, right? So what is the role? It prepares for the action, it prepares for the action for it prepares for action, fight and flight. What is the role of peripheral nervous system, right? What is the role of parasympathetic nervous system? It calms the body and helps the body to conserve energy. That is the role of parasympathetic nervous system. So this is all, this is just the overview of the human nervous system, that it includes the three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system, it mainly consists of three different parts: spinal cord, brain stem and the brain, right? So the spinal cord, it consists of column of nerves between brain and peripheral nervous system. And what is its role? It conducts signals to and from the brain, right? And is also control the reflex activities, right? Reflex arc जो हमने पढ़ा था. Brain stem, it connects brain to the spinal cord. जो brain से किसको connect करता है? Spinal cord से. Brain, it mainly consists of your three parts. We are going to study in detail: forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. Second is your peripheral nervous system, right? Peripheral nervous system, it includes your cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. So it arises from the brain and it arises from the spinal cord. Third, autonomic nervous system, it includes your involuntary actions, sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. So what is the role of sympathetic nervous system? It prepares for the action, fight and the flight. And what is the role of parasympathetic nervous system? It calms the body and helps the body to conserve the energy. Clear? Now again, central nervous system, right? Central nervous system, it includes it is composed of spinal cord, brain stem and the brain. So there are three parts and mainly we are going to cover this part, that is your brain. We are going to learn in detail. So it comes under central nervous system, right? Peripheral nervous system, it is composed of spinal nerves and cranial nerves, right? So there are 12 pair of cranial nerves and there are 31 pair of spinal nerves. So we are not going to study in detail, बस हमें इतना ही याद रखना है 10th क्लास में कितनी होती हैं ये. There are 12 pair of cranial nerves and there are 31 pair of spinal nerves. In higher classes we will study in detail about these 12 pair and the 31 pairs. Clear? So peripheral nervous system, it is composed of spinal nerves and the cranial nerves, right? So the spinal nerves, it arises from the spinal cord and the cranial nerves, it arises from the brain. So there are 12 pair of cranial nerves and there are 31 pair of spinal nerves. Then autonomic nervous system, right? Autonomic nervous system, it controls all the involuntary actions in the body. So whatever be the involuntary actions, it is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. It is divided into two parts. दो पार्ट में इसको डिवाइड कर दिया है. कौन सा? Sympathetic nervous system, right? Sympathetic nervous system, and second is your parasympathetic nervous system. The first part of autonomic nervous system. Yes, this part of autonomic nervous system heightens the activity of an organ as per the need. मतलब जितनी नीड होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या करेगा, उस एक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज कर देगा वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्यूरिंग रनिंग, जब हम दौड़ते हैं, देयर इज एन इंक्रीज्ड डिमांड फॉर ऑक्सीजन, राइट. जब हम दौड़ते हैं तो हमें ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा होती है बाय द बॉडी. दिस इज फुलफिल्ड बाय इंक्रीजिंग ब्रीथिंग रेट. तो ये क्या होगा, वो कैसे फुलफिल होगी, वो ब्रीथिंग रेट को इंक्रीज कर कर, राइट. दिस इज फुलफिल्ड बाय इंक्रीजिंग ब्रीथिंग रेट एंड इंक्रीजिंग द हार्ट रेट. तो सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम वर्क्स टू इंक्रीज द ब्रीथिंग रेट. जो सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम होगा वो क्या रोल प्ले करेगा, वो ब्रीथिंग रेट को बढ़ा देगा. इट इंक्रीज द ब्रीथिंग रेट, द हार्ट रेट इन दिस केस, राइट. सो दैट इज द रोल ऑफ, इट इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है. और भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इसमें सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम में, राइट. ये कोर्स में नहीं है हमारे, लेकिन फिर भी हमें जानना चाहिए, ठीक है. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम क्या है और पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम क्या है. सेकेंड इज योर पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. इट स्लोज द एक्टिविटी ऑफ एन ऑर्गन. क्या कर रहा है ये, एक्टिविटी को स्लो कर रहा है. एंड दस हैज़ ए कामिंग इफेक्ट, ठीक है. शांत करने में मदद कर रहा है, ठीक है. शांत करने बॉडी को मदद कर रहा है. ड्यूरिंग स्लीप द ब्रीथिंग रेट स्लोज. जब हम सोते हैं तो ब्रीथिंग रेट क्या हो जाएगा, धीमा हो जाएगा. ब्रीथिंग रेट स्लोज डाउन एंड सो डज द हार्ट रेट. दिस इज फैसिलिटेटेड बाय द PSNS. ये किसके द्वारा होगा, वो पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम के द्वारा होगा. सो इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. So the parasympathetic nervous system, it helps in the conservation of the energy, right. So in autonomic nervous system there are two parts. One is your sympathetic nervous system, right. One is your sympathetic nervous system and second is your parasympathetic nervous system, right. So this is the basics of the nervous system, right. This is the basics of the nervous system. So the nervous system, there are three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. But we are going to learn the central nervous system, and in central nervous system there are two parts we are going to cover. One is your central nervous system and a small part of the peripheral nervous system, right. So in central nervous system mainly we are going to focus on the structure of brain and its parts. Clear. So brain, there are three parts: forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. And in peripheral nervous system there are two different parts: cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Clear.